We are going to discuss about the crossing over. We have studied last time the linkage. The crossing over is opposite process of linkage. In linkage, the genes remain together. The genes remain together from one generation to next generation. Here, these genes get separated. What is the definition of crossing over? Crossing over is an exchange of genetic material. Crossing over is an exchange of genetic material. Now we will discuss about the mechanism of crossing over. The question may be asked: define crossing over and explain the mechanism of crossing over. The mechanism of crossing over it is having 4 steps. First, synapsis. Second, duplication of chromatids. Third, crossing over. And last is terminalization of chiasma. We will discuss one by one. Firstly, about the synapsis. Synapsis means a pairing of homologous chromosomes. Here, these are 2 homologous chromosomes having same gene sequence. It is known as homologous chromosome. These 2 homologous chromosomes gets paired. It is known as synapsis. Synapsis is a pairing of homologous chromosomes. It occurs during the zygotic stage of prophase first in meiosis first. Zygotic stage. You remember this stage. Zygotic stage. These homologous chromosomes come together by the formation of synaptonemal complex or synaptonemal apparatus. And as 2 chromosomes are together, this structure is known as, they get paired, this structure is known as bivalence. Formation of bivalent may be pro-terminal or procentric or random. From pro-terminal means from the tip, from procentric means from the centromere, and random means there is no particular direction. So remember, it occurs, synapsis occurs during the zygotic stage and formation of synaptonemal complex, and the paired chromosomes are known as bivalence. Synapsis, pairing of homologous chromosomes. After that, there occurs the duplication of chromatids. These 2 become 4. The chromosome gets longitudinally, this chromosome gets longitudinal division, and there is formation of one chromosome form 2 chromatids, and as there are 2 chromosomes, there is formation of 4 chromatids. Here 4 chromatids are there, therefore this structure, this is known as tetrad. Their longitudinal division occur in the chromosome, and 4 chromatids are formed. This stage, it is known as tetrad. This occurs during the Pachytene stage of prophase first. After that, crossing over. What is crossing over? There is exchange of genetic material, exchange of chromosome segment. What happened here? The chromatids, non-sister chromatids, they come very close to each other, and there is formation of chiasma. Chiasma means X-shaped structure. Chiasma means X-shaped structure, and there is formation of chiasma, and after forming chiasma, there occurs the exchange of genetic material. This occurs during Pachytene stage. After that, after exchange, these chromosomes, they now get separated. 4th stage is terminalization of chiasma. It occurs during diplotin stage of prophase first. It starts, terminalization of chiasma starts from diplotin stage and ends in dikinesis stage, last stage of prophase first. internalization of chiasma, the chromosome gets separated and they separate in the zipper fashion. Zipper fashion. I told how the X-shaped structure form V-shaped structure, and in this way the separation occurs in the zipper fashion. This is known as internalization of chiasma, and two chromosomes get separated, and in the separated chromosome the genetic material is exchanged. Here white chromosome with black arm, and this black chromosome is having one arm white color. So in this way there occur the exchange of genetic material. So this is known as crossing over. Here crossing over, you remember 4 steps: synapsis, duplication of chromatids, crossing over, and internalization of chiasm. Okay, that's it.